Extremely compact so you can take it anywhere. Ball head with one knob to lock all adjustments. Friction control. No. Quick and easy camera connection with the wheel attachment. Center column. Rapid. Easy to transport, highly portable thanks to padded carrying bag. Top reviews from the United States. I bought this tripod for iPhone photography when I want to travel light and leave my DSLR at home. This is the case more and more as mobile phone cameras improve dramatically. One of the recommended options when purchasing this tripod is the Manfotto Smartphone Clamp, Pro version, MCPIXI. These are a great combo for low light or long exposure smartphone photography if you purchase one additional item at the hardware store. You will need a stainless steel 1/4 by 1/1/4 fender washer to fit between the narrow clamp bottom and the tripod quick release button, as shown in the photos. This washer spans the 1-inch hole of the lever release system in the top plate of the tripod. My washer set me back 55 cents and provides a rock-solid mount of MCPIXI clamp to the compact action tripod. I've attached pictures showing what I described.